Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Sebright, Ontario. This small village sits in the heart of the Kawartha Lakes region, surrounded by forests, farmland, and peaceful country roads. Sebright's history dates back to the mid-1800s, when settlers arrived to farm the land and build a close-knit community. The village grew slowly, shaped by its connection to the surrounding lakes and rivers that supported agriculture and travel. Whether you're exploring the countryside, enjoying a lakeside afternoon, or just taking in the peaceful scenery, Sebright is a place that feels like a true Ontario retreat. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Sebright, Ontario.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!